I ain't got a clue, bro. I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 for my eyes. Yeah, in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Tried to get by, but I'm burning. I mean, my mind.
Baby, you should get to know me. Tapping into that good energy.
Hey y'all, so we just jumping right up into this video. So I rinsed off the potatoes, so I'm just poking some holes in them, a little bit with the fork, putting some olive oil on them and everything, and wrapping that bad boy up. And then I'm finna also do the rest of them. Okay, so I'm done with all those potatoes. I don't know why I showed y'all how oily my hand was just now. But I am just about to cut up some peppers, onions, and some garlic. I tried to do it like fancy, like going close with the onion and then pop back up with it cut. And I did the same thing with the garlic as well. We rinsing off the shrimp with cold water, not hot water, okay? I rinsed off the shrimp at least, I think, like 3 times. Yeah, three times I rinsed it off. I didn't show y'all all that because I really didn't want this video to be too long, so. Y'all, when dealing with like raw meat, please wash your hands thoroughly and please spray your sink down with some bomb-ass bleach. Like, everything you need to get bleached down when you dealing with raw meat. Okay, y'all, so I just had put some olive oil on her next. Ooh, I'm out of breath, sorry. And you see I'm just mixing that up and everything. Now I did season it some more. I had put a little bit more paprika and a little bit more of Old Bay. I'm just showing y'all what it look like. Seasoned real good, looking real good. Now I'm finna put in, I'm out of breath, hold up. Now I'm finna put some fresh chopped garlic in there. Okay, y'all, so right now I'm just adding a little bit of a lemon juice. Okay, well, not a little bit, I was actually adding a whole bunch. And now I'm just flipping over some of the shrimp.
Second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them the lights down.
Now we making our sauce. Okay, y'all, I was really excited to do this. Okay, so adding in the peppers and the onions, and then just like a little bit more of the garlic that I had added up in there, and then I added some parsley. I believe that was the Cajun seasoning. Yeah, I had put that up in there. mixing that around. So the potatoes are actually finished. I just wanted to show y'all. Now I'm just adding in 1 cup, well, like a cup and a half of heavy cream. I feel like I'm all over the place with this voiceover. Okay, so now we just gonna add in some Parmesan cheese. You guys can add in how much you like, to be honest. Giving that a mixture. Let it sit there for a little second. Alright, y'all, so we finna season this crab meat. That was some onion powder and some garlic powder. Next, I believe that was some black pepper, Creole seasoning, and some lemon pepper seasoning.
Woo! If it ain't seasoned. Nah, what is it? What's the saying, y'all? If it ain't, if you ain't seasoned, then it ain't seasoned. That shit is right.
Some lemon juice, y'all, and then some Old Bay. And I had added in some paprika, and then I had just gave that a little stir. Okay, y'all, so I just had put a little bit of the crab meat in the sauce because I really wanted to, you know, like just keep some of the crab meat for the mashed potatoes as well. So I'm just giving that a stir, y'all. And then I'm finna add in a little bit of shrimp. Yes, a little bit, because I wanted to use the rest of the shrimp for the mashed potatoes as well. Now, I had tasted it off camera and I was like, this need a little bit more seasoning. So I had just put a little bit more of that Creole seasoning up in there, y'all. This was the bomb. I'm so proud of myself. I'm proud because I don't really cook that much. But when I cook, I cook. So I just add in a little bit more Parmesan cheese. And then I had just put some spinach in there. Now the spinach is going to cook down. Y'all, I'm so upset that I did not record me doing the mashed potatoes. But I pretty much just cut the top off, scraped out the inside of it. You know what I mean? Damn, y'all. I'm so upset that I didn't show this to y'all. But that is the sauce, okay? Look at that. Don't that look good? I made that, y'all. Me. I made this on my own, okay? So, y'all, when I had did the potatoes, okay, I had just made the mashed potatoes, you know, put the mashed potatoes up inside the potato, put some cheese on there, put it up in the oven. Now, I really wanted to slow this part down because the sauce looked bomb, okay? And I really wanted to slow down the mashed potatoes because I'm finna put the ingredients on the screen right here so y'all can know what I had put up in there. No, baby. I want you to have the best looking one, the best presented one. No. As y'all see, he finished his whole thing. I got full so quick. Okay, y'all, so I gotta fix my hair. I really should wait until I go into my job to do this. But y'all, I just wanted to close out this cooking video. Y'all, I loved the food. It was amazing. I really wish that I could have showed you guys how I stuffed the potatoes and everything. Really wish I did that. Ouch. But I didn't. And look at my hair. Really wish that I showed you guys how I did all of that and everything. Really wish I could, but I didn't. I forgot to record that part. And I really wanted to like just show y'all like how I made the filling for the potatoes. Oh my gosh, do y'all see this? How stuck it is? Yikes. Ah. Whew. Ow, oh my gosh, this was really wrapped around, huh? This was wrapped around. But hold up. I think I'm gonna just wear it like this tonight. Just back like this. Because I'm tired of wearing that bun. But then again, I love my bun. But yeah, y'all, that is it for this video. And it's so crazy because y'all, my mom cooks, my sister cooks, I have a lot of people in my family that can, you know, like actually cook like really, really well. Hold on. I have a lot of people in my family that can cook very, very well. So when I started to cook and everything, guys, it was just like, wow, like I'm really cooking. Cause like I never really used to cook like that. But see, it's like, do I want it like this? I don't know. I might keep it like this. I gotta go back in there though. Is this okay if I wear it like this at work? With the back out like this? I think I am. But yeah, y'all, that is it for this video. I just wanted to close it out. I just didn't want to just stop it and not close it out. But as you see, he finished all of his. He loved it. He was like, oh my gosh, this is really good. This is like the best thing you like made, da da da. Which is crazy because I never made it before. I was just following like a recipe. But y'all, sometimes I can't stand my glasses and they're so dirty. Like, can y'all see how dirty they are? Like, can you see like the shadow or like the glare or whatever? You probably can't, but that's it for this video, guys. Just remember that you with a bag of chips and whatever else you want to put on the side, not whatever else anybody else want to put on the side, what you want to put on the side. Okay? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you so much for supporting my channel, for watching, for liking, for commenting, for sharing, for doing whatever you want to do. Thank you so much. Appreciate it.